Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve a question which was asked in CAT 2019. Before moving forward, pause the video and try it your own. So now let's start. How many pairs of positive integers m n satisfy the equation m square plus 105 equal to n square? So we have a given equation m square plus 105 equal to n square. This implies n square minus m square equal to 105, or this implies n minus m, n plus m equal to 105. So we need to find factor pairs of 105 and check for values of n and m. So for this 105, first 105 equal to, we can write 105 into 1. So this means we can write like that: n minus m equal to 1 and n plus m equal to 105. When we solve this equation, these two equations, we get n equal to 53 and m equal to 52. So this one is first. Now second case, 105 equal to, factor of 105 next equal to 35 into 3. So for this we can write like that: n minus m equal to 3 and n plus m equal to 35. When we solve by this two equations, we get n equal to 19 and m equal to 16. So this one is second solution. Again 105 we can write like that: 105 equal to 21 into 5. So this we write, so we can write n minus m equal to 5 and n plus m equal to 21. So by these two equations we have n equal to 13 and m equal to 8. So this is third one. Now again 105 we can write like that: 15 into 7. So this, for this, n minus m equal to 7 and n plus m equal to 15. So by solving these two equations we get n equal to 11 and m equal to 4. So this one is fourth solution. So thus we can say only 4 possible pair can be found. So thus only 4 possible pairs can be found, because we have 4 types of factors for 105, only 4 types. So there are only 4 possible pair can be found. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.